don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't snap that snap like they used to. They don't snap that snap. They don't play click clack.
Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see by the look of the title, we are going to be doing a first impression, and it is going to be on Manny's new makeup brand that he just came out with, which is called Lunar Beauty. And he first released a palette, and it's this one right here, you guys. It's called Life's a Drag. It's so freaking cute, like the way that it just, I don't know, the packaging I'm really loving. But I'm gonna be letting you guys know how this palette performs. I haven't tested out any eyeshadow, not even swatched it, nothing, just so I can do this first impression with you guys. So I will be testing them out as using as many colors as possible on my eyes. But before we jump into the video, I do want to say thank you so much for all the love that you guys left on my last video. I felt so loved, honestly, but I want to do something very special for you guys. So I put together 3 boxes full of makeup, you guys. Like, I have 3 of them here. They're from, like, they have different products, and they have high-end and also drugstore products, but mainly high-end products. So we have a lot of Tarte, Benefit, It Cosmetics, Ofra, all my brands that I actually really love and enjoy using. So you guys will be having the chance to win one of these 3 boxes, and it's very simple. It's very simple. 3 easy steps. Number 1 is make sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and are following me on Instagram. Number 2 is make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down below letting me know what your username is on Instagram, or even just your email, so that way I can reach out to you guys either through DM or your email. And number 3, turn on your notifications. That way every time I upload new videos, you guys can be notified. It's those easy 3 simple steps, you guys. So after you're done, like I said, comment down below and let me know your username or your email, and that is it. So good luck to all you beauties, but now let's go ahead and jump into this video. So as always, we are going to be talking about first about the palette, the brand in general, and then we're going to get into the first impression of testing it out on our eyes. So about this palette, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's very, very pretty. If you guys were to purchase it, it does come in this, and it's so freaking pretty. I love pink. You guys know that. So for me, I love this because it's pink and it has the gold. This is what I'm all about. But once you open it, this is the palette, and this is what it looks like. So these are Manny eyes, and he's wearing the eyeshadows here, and it has this beautiful reflective of like a rainbow. It's so freaking pretty, you guys. In person, it's like, wow. So I obviously do love the packaging. The back is very simple. It's just white, and it has like a rose gold or more of a pink foil lettering here, and it's raised, so you can definitely feel the texture of the name in here. But yeah, so it just has basic info about this palette. So about the palette, this palette is going to be launching tomorrow, which is actually June 2nd at 11 a.m. It retails for $45, and what you get is 14 eyeshadows. So when you open it up, this is the inside. Has a beautiful mirror, and it says "Be a Queen," which I really love, this whole like royalty theme type of thing also. But we have the eyeshadows here, and the crazy thing is that you have your neutrals on this side, and then you have your colorful pops of color on this side. So yeah, we have a little bit of everything, you guys. So this is pretty cool, and you also get a dual-ended brush. Now this palette does say that it's cruelty-free, and he says that it's also vegan. It's just that he cannot I guess mention it on the palette because it was gonna take a process to do that, I guess. So the eyeshadows, it's 11 mattes, and then you get 2 very shimmery ones, and this one's sort of like a semi shimmery eyeshadow. It's not completely matte, so it's like a semi shimmery eyeshadow. And yeah, I like the brush too. Like, it looks really pretty being white and pink, but again, to me, this just like seems like the brush is dirty. You guys know that, like, I don't really like this with the hairs like that, but the brush is overall very, very pretty. It's white, it has the Lunar Beauty and pink lettering, but it's just overall super cute the way that he just put it all together. It looks like he really put a lot of thought into his palette and the packaging, so I do like that. But yeah, so if you guys want to purchase it, like I said, it's gonna be launching tomorrow. I'll try to have a link down below in the description box for you guys with more info and everything. But yeah, so now that you guys know more about this palette, now we're gonna go ahead and get started with the demo. Now that you guys are all up in my face, I'm gonna start out with an eyeshadow primer. This is the one I'm gonna use. I always use my Sigma one. Honestly, holy grail here, you guys. Not even joking. For my look, I will be doing something very colorful because I want to play with color. It has color here. It has beautiful eyeshadows color. So why wouldn't I do that? So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna start out with this first shade called Hunty as my transition shade. So it's that one right there, and I'm gonna take it with a Morphe E23 all over my crease, blending it back and forth. So far, this first shade applied and blended out beautifully. Like, I actually didn't even have to really try that hard to be honest. So pretty cool. Now I'm going to take Kiki, and I'm going to take it with the Lunar Beauty brush. So I'm going to take that and apply that also on my crease. I'm going to go back in there with my blending brush just to blend out everything. Now I'm going to take Fishy and also apply this on the outer part of my eye. And I'm applying this with an E25 from Sigma. Blending the outer edges again. Now taking the color Pageant Queen, I'm also going to pop this on the outer part of my eye just to deepen up our outer part and crease. And I'm applying this with the Morphe E36 brush. Okay, so now I'm going to take this one, I think it's pronounced Kai Kai or KK. So I'm going to take that one and apply this on the kind of halfway of my lid. And I'm applying this with a Sigma E25. Now for the rest of my lid, I'm going to take the color Beat with the Lunar Beauty brush. I'm going to go back with my brush that I applied the pink eyeshadow just to blend these two eyeshadows together. Getting like mermaid bounce or whatever. So there you have it, guys. There's the eyeshadows for the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest of my face makeup, clean up a little bit under my eye. I don't really have a major fallout, but it's just very, very minimal. But I'm just still gonna clean it up, do my face makeup, and then I'll be back with you guys to finish off the eyes. So now that I'm done with my face, now we're gonna move on to our lower lash line. So the color that I will be taking is called Pageant Queen, which is the purple one, and I'm gonna be applying this on my lower lash line with a flat defining brush, the E15 from Sigma. I'm gonna take my Sigma longwear eyeliner and apply this on my waterline. Now I'm going to take my Morphe E36 and going with the color Fishy, I'm going to be blending out the purple eyeshadow. Now taking the color Kiki with the B Bella RG215 brush, I'm going to blend out these eyeshadows. I'm also going to pop a Beat in the inner corner lower lash line. So I'm not going to do a wing liner just because I really want the colors to be more of the attention. I don't want to take away from it. So I'm just going to completely skip the eyeliner, move on to my lashes. So I'm going to coat my lashes with a little bit of mascara and then pop on my lashes. And my lashes will be from Lily Lashes in the style Miami. Okay, now the last thing is to apply something on my lips. So I'm going to apply this one from Ofra, and this is in the color Laguna Beach. Alright my loves, so this is the completed look. So now I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts on what I think about this palette. Overall, I pretty much used mainly the colorful side of this palette, and I have to say I really love this palette. Like the way that it just blended out all of the eyeshadows together, like they all complemented each other. It's just so beautiful the way that it just looks, you know, all combined. I still have to play with the mattes on this side, the neutrals, but so far since I did test out this one, I mean, you guys saw pretty much it applied and blended out super fast and easy. I didn't really have a lot of trouble with it. These eyeshadows are not patchy whatsoever. They're super pigmented, like they're very, very pretty. I do like the inner corner shadow, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this one because it's gold, and you guys know I like using that for pretty much my everyday makeup looks, you know, like all over the lid. But yeah, I do think that It's totally worth it. The eyeshadows work perfectly fine, like I said. So overall, I do really recommend it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the palette. Let me know if you guys like the fact that, you know, it has some neutral shades and also some colorful shades. Let me know what you guys think about this palette and if you guys are willing to pick it up or not. But yeah, so with that, my loves, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Just in case you guys forgot what the rules are, they will be in the description box. That way you guys can check it out, along with all the links to all the products that I use, and same with brushes and everything. That way it's all there for you guys. But yeah, with that, I think that's it, my love. So let me know if you guys did like the video and if you guys would like to see more tutorials using this palette too. But yeah, with that, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Good morning. Oh, I could have zoomed in more. What happened? Am I too loud? Right? Oh, wow. I'm not gonna do a wing like. Vamos a empezar. Soy tu papá. Y la cosa se pone a ti. Y la cosa se pone a ti. Looks.